Hi Stampers, it's Gigi with Stamp Fanatics, and I just wanted to show you my October card kit. And this is the first that I'm doing in a series. I'm going to be doing these monthly, and this month we're going to be working with the bundle Winter Woods. And you will be getting this stamp set, and this is in our red rubber, and also all the framelits that go with it. And let me just show you these real quick. These are the ones that make that beautiful tree, and it actually even has little cutouts or whatever that lift up, and that's what we're going to use on one of our cards. And we will be making 3 different designs, and in your kit you will have a card kit to make 6. You'll make 2 of each design. You'll also get some of our gold and white. You'll actually get a whole roll of this, of our gold edged ribbon. You'll also get the metallic pearls, a pack of those. There's silver and gold in there. And you will also get 12 pieces, and I'll show you what they look like. And this is our Joyous Noel Designer Series paper, and these will be cut 6 by 6, but you'll get 12 pieces. You can see what it looks like. And these have the beautiful metallic gold on them, so that's why we're going with gold over the silver. And then there's nice snowflakes. And then there's beautiful deer and more snowflakes. And then we have this last one here that goes with that. So you'll get 12 of those pieces of paper, your stamps, your framelits, and also your ribbon. You're going to get a whole roll though of this, and your metallic pearls. The cost of this kit, and that is, I will order it, I will cut everything that you need so that you can make your 6 cards with this, and then you have plenty of paper and supplies that you can do more if you'd like. And the cost of this kit is $90, and it will be cut off. This class will be cut off by October 13th. You need to order by then. Just send me an email at stampfanatics@gmail.com and let me know you'd like to have our kit class. And I will ship them by September 25th. So then they'll go back out to you once I get everything in and cut it and get it all ready for you. If you've already got this bundle, I will go ahead and send you 3 cards that are finished so that you'll have them and the PDF to make more, and that will be $25. So that way you'll see it firsthand, finished cards. You'll also get 3 different PDFs that will show you how I made each of the 3 cards. That is $25, same thing. I would need it by your order by October 13th, and that would be $25. If you just need the PDF, you can purchase it from me online for $15. I'll send out my invoices on October 13th via PayPal, and you do not need a PayPal account in order to pay that invoice. Just scroll down to the bottom and you can just enter your credit card and you can pay that way. And like I said, then I'll be placing the order, repackaging, getting your card kits ready, and it will ship out by September 25th. Thanks and have a great day.